cold one. See if she'll start up. Woo! So there's really only one reason to be up at 7 a.m. on a Saturday morning, and that's cars and coffee. I am in my 76 Mercury Cougar XR7. I'll be taking that. It's actually a little past 8 right now. Took me a little while to get out of bed, but it's fine. It's never like busy there, like too busy. I won't find a good. I'll probably find a good spot still. But I'm taking the Mercury. Gonna show off its new paint job and the new little hood ornament we've got on now. And yeah, this is the second Cars and Coffee of the season. I did miss the first one, which kind of sucked because the first one, of course, you know, everyone was there. But it's whatever. Going to make it to the second one, and when I get there, I'll show you some cars. But of course, before we go, I gotta let her warm up. So I'm back from Cars and Coffee, Cougar right here. I recorded some cars, you know, that you just watched, obviously. A lot more people were showing up a little after. After I stayed for about an hour, and then I went to go visit my dad at his job. So the Cougar didn't make it back 100% though. I'll show you. Lift this up. This hood is like the heaviest hood ever. Okay. Now I don't know if you guys might be able to hear this or not, but something is leaking air. And I'm pretty sure it's coming from this, and I'm pretty sure this is the AC compressor. And see if you can hear this. So if you couldn't hear it, maybe I'll try and enhance the sound when I edit it. Maybe you could hear it, but yeah, it's leaking air, and I heard it while I was driving, and I'm like, what the hell is that? And then I got home and parked it, and it's still making the sound. So I think, I'm almost positive that's the AC compressor. I'm pretty sure I'm right. So good news is, we were planning on replacing that anyways. So now will be the time to replace it. We figured, since we got the car, the air conditioning and all, it works, you know, it works great. It's just not, it's not as cold as what it could be. And we did have to recharge the system once. So we did have plans to eventually, you know, buy a new one for it. So might as well do it now. But that's the end of that video. Just quick, short, you know, Cars and Coffee Saturday video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.